Hi, my name is Lisa Von Masso, and my company is Sandler Training Hamilton. Have you ever found that there are just some people you don't click with? Effective communication is more than just exchanging information. At Sandler, we use DISC, which is a behavioral model that helps people understand their own natural communication style, but more importantly, how to adjust their communication to better fit the natural style of a prospect or potential client. Sometimes we see salespeople have trouble connecting with a certain kind of prospect, or they only sell to one kind of personality. We often see that customer service and frontline service providers struggle to work with particular clients. And in management, we sometimes hear that there are issues mediating between staff members or managing conflict. The key is to recognize your counterpart's style and then adjust your own style to suit them and facilitate successful communication and build a level of comfort and trust with that person. At Sandler, we help salespeople, customer service providers, and leaders communicate more effectively by crafting and asking compelling questions, and more importantly, by developing highly effective listening skills. When your team is more productive, they're more profitable. Are you leaving money on the table because of miscommunications? Call me today to start a conversation on how to better talk to your customers and your clients. Sandler Training Hamilton at 905-963-1339 or visit us at endurancepartners.sandler.com.